Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm bringing you part 2 of my rainbow series, Orange. For this video I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright palette. Layer concealer onto your lid as an eyeshadow base. Use the same concealer to carve out the underneath side of your brow if you haven't already. Blend this evenly across your lid using a clean brush. Using a large fluffy brush, generously pack the shade White Lies into the inner half of the eye, all the way up to your brow bone and in towards the inner corner. Pick up the shade Heat Wave on a slightly smaller fluffy brush and pack this into the outer corner of your eyelid. Using the pigment that's left on the brush, bring that shade up above the crease slightly and out towards the temple. Blend the edges of Heat Wave up towards the brow bone and further towards the temple using the shade Tangerine Dream on a small fluffy brush. Creating circular motions with the brush will assist you in seamlessly blending the two shades together. Go back into the outer corner with the shade Heat Wave to add further depth to the look and enhance the pigmentation of the darker orange shade. Use the shade White Lies to set the brow bone area. Take the shade Tangerine Dream on a medium-sized domed brush and apply it directly into the centre of your lid so it overlaps both the white and the darker orange shade. Apply the shade White Lies into the inner corner once again to brighten the pigmentation and also create a blend between the Tangerine Dream shade. The last step for the upper lid is to go back into the outer corner with the shade Heat Wave and bring it inwards slightly to overlap Tangerine Dreams. To start on the lower lid, take the shade Heat Wave and apply it into the outer corner of the lower lid, directly below the lash line, taking it out towards the outer V to join with the upper lid shadows. Blend out the shade Heat Wave by applying Tangerine Dream directly over the edges of the lower lid shadow. Take this shade outwards to elongate the shape of the eye and soften the outer V of the eyeshadow look. Deepen the lower lid by reapplying Heat Wave right up against the lash line. Mirror the upper lid by applying White Lies into the inner corner of the lower lid. Use Jeffree Star's Liquid Frost in Frostbite to highlight the inner corner of your eye, bringing it downwards slightly to create the glittery eye bag effect. Curl your lashes with a lash curler and then apply mascara to your top lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are the Coco Lashes by Doll Beauty. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other. And that's the finished orange eyeshadow look inspired by candy corns. I really hope that you enjoyed part 2 of my rainbow series, and let me know if you did by liking the video. Comment down below what you want to see for part 3, which is yellow, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, which is an anti-Valentine's Day look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!